Chapter 16. Complaints to Magistrate. Complaints to Magistrate. Section 223 से 226. Question number 1. Which chapter of the BNSS contains provisions regarding complaints to magistrate? Chapter 16. Which section of the BNSS provides for examination of complainant? Examination of complainant 223. Under section 223 of the BNSS, recording of pre-summoning evidence may be dispensed with if the complaint is made in writing. The complaint is made in writing by a public servant. Magistrate taking cognizance of an offence on complaint shall examine upon oath complainant and witness present there. कॉग्निजेंस लेने से पहले एग्जामिन करेगा ऑन ओथ कंप्लेनेंट और विटनेस को. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच according to first proviso to section 223, cognizance of an offence on a complaint shall be taken by magistrate after giving the accused an opportunity of being heard. cognizance कब लेगा? जब उसको heard कर लेगा तब cognizance लेगा. Question number 6. According to section 223 का 2 of BNSS, in case of complaint against a public servant arising in course of discharge of official duties, magistrate shall not take cognizance unless opportunity has been given to public servant to make assertions as to the situation that led to the incident so called, या may directly a report from the officer superior to such public servant is received. या तो वो कोई सीनियर ऑफिसर उसका एक रिपोर्ट सबमिट कर दे या उस पब्लिक सर्वेंट से कोई रीजन ले ना लिया जाए. अंडर सेक्शन 223 of the BNSS, the magistrate need not to examine the complainant and witness if the complaint is made in writing by a public servant in discharge of his official duty. कंप्लेंट और कंप्लेनेंट और विटनेस को एग्जामिन नहीं करेगा अगर किसी ऑफिशियल द्वारा ऑफिशियल ड्यूटी डिस्चार्ज किया हो. इन प्राइवेट कंप्लेंट case process can be issued against an accused after the magistrate is of opinion that there is a sufficient ground to proceed with the case. In a private case, process can be issued against an accused after the magistrate is of opinion that there is a sufficient ground to proceed with the case. Which section of the BNSS provides for the procedure when magistrate is not competent to take cognizance? Section 224. If complaint in writing is made to a magistrate who is not competent to take cognizance of the offence, he shall return it for presentation to proper court with an endorsement to the effect. Which section of the BNSS provides for postponement of issue of process? Section 225. Issue of process को postpone कर देंगे. Section 225. If it appears to magistrate that the offence complained if it is triable exclusively by court of session, he is under Section 225 of the BNSS postponing the issue of process against the accused shall call upon the complainant to produce all his witness and examine them on oath. Question number 13. Direction to police by magistrate to investigate under section 225 of the BNSS cannot be given without examining the complainant on oath. जब तक कंप्लेनेंट को एग्जामिन नहीं करेंगे तब तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए नहीं बोला जा सकता है. सेक्शन 226 of the BNSS deals with dismissal of complaint. Section 226 deals with the dismissal of the complaint. After dismissal of a complaint under Section 226, a fresh similar complaint on the same facts is not barred but will be entertained only in exceptional circumstances. तो 226 में अगर कंप्लेंट किए और मैजिस्ट्रेट द्वारा वो डिसमिस किया, अंडर एक्सेप्शनल सर्कमस्टांसेस वी कैन कंप्लेन अगेन और मैजिस्ट्रेट वो डिसाइड करेगा कि इंटरटेन करे या ना करे. थैंक यू.